So this is what we got. It's technically the roof spoiler for the back glass. I believe it's called a window visor. Usually I consider the window visors the ones on the side, but they're always kind of just changing the name. I kind of just call it a roof spoiler for the rear. So it should be a really simple install. So let's go ahead and install it. Well, Kona is super dirty right now, as you can see. So I'm gonna trigger some of you guys, and I'm not gonna clean the whole car. I'm just gonna clean the area that I'm gonna put the wing to. So this is a before. I decided to just clean the whole windshield, and it looks a lot better. I really gotta start cleaning the car more. So all you're gonna do is take off the double-sided tape that's all around here, and then you just apply it right there. Another pro tip you could do is use a heat gun and heat up the double-sided tape just so you can adhere a lot better. That's so loud. I can't wait to put headers and make this even louder. That was a smart idea coming over here, but there's just so many rocks getting kicked up everywhere. I ended up just not going all the way through it to the usual spot. I guess I haven't really cleaned this road. I mean, it looks clean, but it's just there's so many rocks just kind of getting like thrown up. So I'm gonna have to find a different spot. But yeah, look at this view. I like it. It's like so peaceful. Oh, you guys hear it? This is a perfect spot to do donuts, but there's like a cyclist behind me, so unfortunately not gonna be able to do any donuts today. But I'll find a different spot just to park it. I guess I'll go to like the other usual spot. Let's try to do a little launch control. So hard holding the camera and doing it. Oh yeah, you can smell clutch. Definitely you can smell clutch. Dude, it's Thanksgiving. Well, it's like, oh, it's almost 1 o'clock. It's still early to me, but I woke up at 6 this morning and I thought not that many people were gonna be on the road, especially, and I was thinking there wasn't gonna be any people on the road. I've been up since like 6 in the morning, running errands and stuff, and I had some time to install the roof spoiler, so I'm happy about that. But I came over here to, well, I shouldn't say the road, but I mean, I shouldn't say the road just because, you know, more people are going to start coming over here, which there's already a lot of people that come over here. But the less people, the better, just so, you know, just so they don't put any speed bumps or anything right here, or more cops patrolling the area. But anyways, there's just too many people really commuting where you can't really just park the car and take a couple shots. And we're back. Couldn't find a spot, so I just came back home, and then let me just try to do a small little cinematic here.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine.
And that's how it looks like. It honestly really complements like the shark fin with the rear visor, I guess. I'm just gonna call it a roof spoiler. So shark fin, roof spoiler, and then trunk lip. This shot right here, I think it's gonna be a thumbnail. It looks really good, and I just like the aggressiveness. It's just like that. That's not overkill, and that one's super cheap too. It was like 100 and something from eBay. I originally wanted the Tom's one, but I didn't want to wait for shipping. I did not want to pay for shipping. That thing is ridiculous. So I bought that one temporary, and I ended up just really liking it. It's like not huge. I like the Street Hunter one. I like the Street Hunter one. I don't know. It's a little too big to me, and I sometimes don't like how it ends like right here. This one doesn't have the best fitting, but that's $100 versus, you know, $750 or whatever the Street Hunter one costs. But yeah, that's how the roof spoiler looks like. Wow, look at that Honda Civic hitting the rev limiter. Someone's happy for Thanksgiving. This literally reminds me of the Hick one. I had it on my 2017 BRZ. I had the whole set where it was like the passenger, driver, and that one. I might end up just ordering the official Toyota one for the GR86 just to complement that. I think it would I honestly feel like it'll go good. Let me see the price tags or if anything's on sale. So let's go hop and check some prices right now. Highly recommend this. This was 120 bucks, not too expensive, and it just makes it look a little bit more aggressive from the rear. So it's really coming together. I got the diffuser. It's coming together. Diffuser. I need bigger exhaust tips. I got these carbon ones, but I just feel like it doesn't fill in the hole too much, so I gotta get bigger ones. And then I have the fourth brake light. I have the custom fourth brake light that I did. I'll put a link to that in the description. And then I had to retint this yellow, which I'm probably gonna do in the next couple of days. I have extra tint, which I'm gonna tint this, and then I'm also gonna be tinting the fog lights yellow, just to see how it looks. I'm not the biggest fan of yellow fog lights, but I have extra material, so I might as well make a video out of that. Then I try wrapping those parts black, just to give it more of a contrast. I gotta redo this one. It looks so bonky, you can see the blue. So I might have to redo that one day. So far, I feel like the car is coming together. You can see where it just cleaned in. It's like super dirty. Disgusting. I really gotta wash this car. I'll probably wash it tomorrow or something. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving. Today's Thanksgiving for me. This video is not gonna go live for the next couple of days, so hopefully you guys had a good Thanksgiving. Even if you're not one of the people that really spends it with family, hopefully you guys just had a chill day off, and it's a paid day off, which is cool. Always a win if you get paid when you're not at work. So I'm gonna go get some food. I'm exhausted. Been up since like 6 in the morning, and I'm not drinking coffee today. So So let's go watch some anime, eat some food, and drink some water because I'm like dehydrated right now. So good vibes, guys, all around. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you guys later. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers, so hit the subscribe button, and I'll be doing a giveaway once we hit that number. So later, guys.